Okay, before we move to class, today I'm doing a fried. I think I have fried yam. I get fried yam. I get fried potato. See fried yam. Now this one na fried yam, fried potato, fried plantain. You understand? Now wetin I dey do be this. So I go get straight teach mathematics. I wan solve small maths like that. Ooh, my thing don fall off for table. So I go come class, come teach maths. You go understand. You understand? So please come to our JAMB class, Technical School Nwaniba, opposite Power City. We charge very little, less than 20,000 for over 6 months. Okay, you're not after money, you want people to learn, but always try to eat your food. So once I'm done with this food, oh boy, I dey come class. Alright? And I hope say una go enjoy the class as much as I enjoy new people. God bless you. Please stay tuned and if you join our class, see you. Okay, welcome to class. For today, this one na mathematics we dey do today. We get two questions here. And we go do am very quick so we fit meet up. You understand? This one na calculus differentiation. You say calculus na two things now, differentiation and integration. I think limit is also there, limit is there. The small math wey dey there. Now this one now dey say if y equals to 1 plus x raised to power 2, find the y dx. That's differentiate am one time. If dem say find the square y, the square y, the y square, the square x, that one go be do am two times. So you go do am only one time because na just the y, the x, one time differential. Okay? Differential na like come dey gaze person come dey gaze boyfriend wey everytime im dey beat you, im dey kick you, sorry, sorry. Solution. Now we get options. Option A na x minus 1 for this one na number 1. Option B na 2 plus 2x. Option C na 1 plus 2x. Option D come be 2x minus 1. So let's solve and see which one be the answer because me sef I no too know am. But if I look am well, if I look am I fit tell you wetin the answer be. You understand? If I dey spirit oo, now I dey flesh. So let's solve now. Now see what we do. Write down the question. Number 1, y equals to 1 plus x or raised to power 2. See what we do. This one na chain rule I believe so. I no sabi name of mathematics. I only sabi how to solve them. No know name, no be lie, I no sabi name. If I see question I go solve, but I no sabi the name of the maths. So I no talk say I no dey sure. Now see what we do. See what we do. When you see question like this, numbers dey, come dey put brackets, find y dx. Everything wey dey inside the brackets, call am u. So the person in the bracket na 1 plus x, I go call am u. I just call am u. So I now say let 1 plus x equals to what? U. You feel me? Now, if you differentiate this u now, differentiate this u. So let's say now u and x we get. So we now say the u over wetin dey here na the x. Now if you differentiate a number, answer na 0. So if I differentiate 1, it is 0. So that is 0. Plus if I differentiate a letter, which is a variable, letter na variable. If I differentiate a letter, the answer na always 1. So this is 1. You feel me? So that means that my du over the x equals to 1. I don't do anything. I just differentiate this place. The answer, this is y, u equals to this. So now say u and the x because now u and x dey here. So call am the u there. This one now could be the y and the x because now y and x there. So this one now u and x there, u equals to this one. So the u dx. If na t, it will be the t dx. No nothing there. So if I differentiate a number here, number na 0. If I differentiate a letter, one letter, answer na 1. So the u dx answer na 1. The u and then the x 1. Now remember say we say that this place now we call am u. We call everything here for this place u. Abi? Now so that means that y here alone, y here, this equals to this. This place na what? U. So that means u square. So that means I will differentiate y and u. So I now say my dy over the u, wetin be my answer? Now to differentiate means you see this number wey dey on top, you carry am keep here. You carry the number wey dey on top multiply with what is here. That will be 2 times u. Wetin dey on top? If na 4, e go be 4 times u. If na 10, e go be 10 times u. Now dis 2 here wey see dey here, just minus 1 from am. You follow me? If dem give you, if dem say y equals to 6 6p5, they should now tell you say find the y, the p, the y, the p. E no mean anything. Nothing dey here. Just carry this 5 multiply wetin dey. That will be y prime. You can call it y prime equals to, this will be 5 times 6p. Okay? Now wetin, just carry this 5 multiply wetin dey here. This 5 times this 6p. Now this same 5, I could still write am again. Just subtract 1 from am. E don finish. So 5 times 6 is 30 first of all. This p is still p. 5 minus 1, the answer is what? 4. Now the answer be that. Nothing dey there. You no dey chop food. Na why you think dey hard to remember. So make I clean this place. All these things no hard. So now wetin I do, I just carry this 2. 2 times u will give me 2u minus 1. So now my dy du equals to 2 times u will give me 2u. 2 minus 1 is 1. I don't need to write it down because it means na only 1. And 1 dey here. So na the answer be that. Now your dy dx mark carry am come here. Now your dy, wetin you go do be say, you know say if you find du dx, answer na 1. You come find dy du, answer na 2u. Carry these two multiply together. That's all. So my dy and the x will be equals to, see something. The first one was what? Du dx times, second one was what? Dy over du. If you check am well, if you look am well, if you look am with your eye clean, look am, you know say if you cancel du and du, what do you have is dy dx. You know say dey correct. But no cancel am. So now my dy dx equals to, what's du dx? Du dx is 1 times my dy du is what? 2u. Multiply them together. Now 1 times 2u will give me what? 2u. Now the answer supposed to be this. That is the answer by the way. The math don't finish. But wetin be u? You need to put am. Now say recall that u equals to, wetin be u? U equals to what? 1 plus x. Just put am here. Put am back for that place. So that means that your dy, the x equals, this is 2. My u is what? 1 plus x. That means 1 plus x. You know say bracket na times. So just 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times x is what? 2x. So this is the answer. See am here. Show me. This is not hard. Just dey chop food. When you chop food finish, sleep. You understand? Wake up, read the books. E go enter. One day I go do interview for myself. I go tell una my story. I get 5 WAEC results for house. And for this house, I get 5 WAEC results, original copies. Write them for 10 years. Make I leave that story, sha. My own story also come.